Hey loves and happy holidays! I put together a list of Christmas gift ideas for girls and women and all the ladies in your life. Some of these gifts are period and menstrual cycle related, and then there's just a bunch of fun gift ideas, some girly gift ideas. Yeah, let's just get into the Christmas gift list. So the first section of my list are gifts that are just like cozy and comforting. These would be perfect for PMS, your period, those low energy days, just really nice things to have on hand. Okay, number one is a heating pad. Perfect for cramps, truly a total lifesaver. It's one of those things that we don't necessarily think to get for ourselves. So if there's a girl in your life that you know has bad cramps, get her a nice heating pad. There's also warmies, which are these stuffed animals that you can warm up in the microwave, and they're kind of similar to a heating pad, but they're just really cute. If you're not into the heating pad or warmies idea, then you can get a really cute hot water bottle. They have really cute covers that you can put over them. Again, perfect for cramps. You really can't go wrong with a cute cozy sweatshirt and sweatpants, and even better if it's a matching set. Also, fuzzy socks or cute slippers. You can really up-level somebody's level of coziness with a good blanket. You could get a weighted blanket, great for your girls in your life who are anxiety prone, which is all of us, I would say, from time to time, or just a cute soft throw blanket. Eye masks can be really fun to throw in. There are some really nice ones that you can just heat up and put over your eyes, and it's just like a little spa treatment. One gift that I think is so fun and makes such a cozy ambiance are these silicone LED animal lights. I got one on a whim like a year ago and I use it every single night. I mean, look at how cute this is. There's all different types of these, and it's like a fun little decor for your room, but it also is just like sets this cozy vibe. Okay, next up are period and menstrual cycle wellness gifts. These are super useful, practical gifts. Things like period underwear. I really like the brand Modi Body. Also buying a couple different brands of organic, non-toxic pads or tampons. I feel like this is just a fun way for someone to be able to try different period products without having to buy them for themselves. Along those same lines too, you could add in a menstrual cup or disc. I feel like these are things that girls like talk about and they're like, oh, you know, I would want to try that someday, but like they never get it for themselves. So if you just get it for your friend, well, maybe they really will try it. A cycle tracking journal is a great gift. And this is really just a lined journal. So a pretty lined journal from anywhere will work. I have a whole video showing how to do cycle tracking, so send your friend or whoever you're giving your gift to that video of mine and they can learn how to track their cycle this year, which will change their life and give them a deeper connection with themselves. So what's a better gift than that? I get all my journals that I use for cycle tracking from Papier. They're just lined journals that are the hardcover ones. There are so many pretty designs and they would really make such a good gift. Different types of teas are always a fun gift. I really love raspberry leaf tea for cramps, or just peppermint tea, ginger tea. These are all really period, menstrual cycle friendly teas. You're just giving someone stuff to have on hand for when they need it. Practical, useful, and something that they're gonna use and go, oh my gosh, this is so nice that someone got this for me, and maybe they'll find something new that is like a staple in their routine. And you're just gifting it into their lives for them to discover. I think that's a beautiful thing. If you want to go a little fancier with your teas and very menstrual cycle themed, I recently discovered this company called Sync Botanicals, and it's basically a different blend of teas for each part of your menstrual cycle, each phase of your cycle. So they're basically like herbs specifically designed for each cycle phase to support you through each phase. And like that is such a good gift, especially if you have friends, family members, daughters, any of the ladies in your life, if you know that they have some different like cycle issues, or it's great for anyone just for cycle support. So that is a really fun one to try out, especially for all the girls who are into like the health type of stuff, who would be consistent with something like this. Get them their first box of teas from Sync Botanicals. It's just such a perfect, complete gift. Other great period related gifts are period pain relief patches or cramp relief gel. There are just so many products like these that we don't necessarily get for ourselves, but if we have it, then we'll try it out. And I think like, again, useful, practical gifts, but truly could like change someone's whole routine when it comes to their period and their cycle, which is so impactful. It's just such a beautiful type of gift to give someone to try out. Along those same lines too, you could get a nice magnesium spray, which helps with different aches and pains as well. It's just comforting, soothing. And what girl doesn't love a little bit of self-care? Things like Epsom salt or bath bombs, aromatherapy, rollers, candles of course are always a nice gift, a pajama set, face masks, a body lotion or a body butter, some cute hair clips or a heatless curl set, a cute water bottle or tumbler, or a new teacup or mug would go perfect if you're getting someone some different teas or that Sync Botanicals box. Also a daily journal or a daily devotional. And of course it's always fun to throw in some different snacks and sweets and things. And it really goes with the PMS period sort of vibes too. I would take a look on iHerb for this type of stuff. They have a lot of different organic, healthier versions of different snacks and things. Just taking a look at their grocery section on their website and just putting together a box of a bunch of different snacks, I think would be so fun. Another great place for that kind of stuff is World Market. If you have a World Market near you, they have such a good, fun range of different snacks and foods from around the world. It's a fun way to get a range of different snacks and treats that someone probably hasn't tried before, so that's another really fun one too. So that is my whole Christmas gift idea list. A lot of these things would be perfect to pair together. So here are just a couple of different ways that you could combine some of these different ideas. So you could make a cozy period kit with warmies or a heating pad, fuzzy socks, and raspberry leaf tea. You can make a cycle wellness set with a cycle journal, which is really just a lined journal, some different teas or the Sync Botanical box, period underwear, and pain relief gel. You could also put together a self-care relaxation kit with a candle, Epsom salt, scrunchies, and a face mask. You could also use a lot of these more practical gifts for your stocking stuffers. Also, for any of the big readers in your life who would love to get a book for Christmas, I have some different period-related book suggestions for you that I've loved all of. I'll just briefly go through my little stack here. The Red Tent, Moontime, Period Power, Wild Power, and Theology of the Womb. Those are my very period, menstrual cycle, girl power, divine feminine type of book ideas. They're all so good. All right, so that is my list of all of my different gift ideas for girls and women and all the ladies in your life. I hope you found it helpful. Happy shopping, and I hope you have a lovely holiday season. Let me know in the comments down below if you've picked out anything from this list. Give this video a like, subscribe to the Dear Love channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves, and happy holidays!